Welcome, boys, back to the YouTube channel. Yes, my business has failed and I stopped making money. As of recently, you've probably been seeing all my videos and they've been doing very well because I've been finding some success with e-commerce, been showing the results, and obviously, as the world we know it, you show results, you go viral, right? or you get more views. That's the saying, right? So obviously it was fun while it lasted, but let's be honest, in dropshipping, these life cycles of the products don't last very long. I probably could have done a bit longer than a month. I did this product for over a month. But after that, it just started to die down. And again, it was very fun while it lasted, and I already made a video explaining about all the lessons I've learned. And for sure, I've learned a shit ton. Now, I just want to make a video because I feel like lately I haven't been updating you more on the situation. I've been focusing a lot on my Discord community, and those people in there, if you're not in there, they know everything that's happening from the fucking second, because I'm very active in the Discords and the YouTube's been lacking because of that. So I feel like I owe just the YouTube community a nice update on where I currently am. So as we speak today, I'm actually testing 3 products. One of them is actually the original one that made me the money. I did shut them off because I was planning on testing new products using the same store. But then I realized, I'm like, you know what? At the end of the day, I was still profitable, like barely. I was a bit over break even. But I said, I did find it kind of dumb how I kind of shut off everything when there was money still coming in. And I could have just easily made a new store and test products on that store. So I did turn them back on today, but unfortunately the results haven't kept up since I left. So I might have fucked it up and I might have just killed it, which is fine. I turned them back on not because I expected to be a winner, but just for the consistent income and cash flow for my business. But at the end of the day, maybe it was for the best things, because I do have a certain credit card limit, and I do remember spending a lot on that product. So maybe it is best to just focus on the upcoming, new products I'm going to test. I do want to give it one more shot, and I was thinking of using viral ecom ads. And now, if you guys don't know what viral ecom ads is, I actually already told you about them way like a long time ago, a few months ago for sure. And they make ads for you, and they're very good at them. And I was thinking, I've ripped ads from other people, edited ads myself for this product, and still no results. So maybe I will give them a shot. I know they're very good at what they do. And I would, like, for an example, I would use this package over here, the TikTok split testing package. And I would buy 3 creatives from them and see the results from that. But at the end of the day, they're very good. You should go check them out. I have the link in the description. Yes, I want to be 100% transparent. I do have an affiliate link with them. So again, if you decide on ever using them, it's a win-win-win for all of us. Again, I don't promote garbage. I don't promote anything, to be honest. But again, I don't promote garbage. So if I do promote something, you damn right should know and believe that it's very good quality of what I'm promoting. I'm going to test them out, and I'm going to use their videos and see how it goes. But again, their service is very good. It's funny how these videos are not edited, so I really try not to fuck up. And you can literally see all the ums and pauses and stuff. But back to the update. So I ran the current product it got a sale, but again, it's nothing crazy. I used to be getting a lot of sales, so nothing crazy. But now I'm in a current phase where I'm spam testing products. I'm ripping. This is all I do, right? I'm grinding out here. So I'm grinding products. Right now, I'm testing 2 products at the same time right now. It's too slow to do one at a time. I can't. I gotta rip them, you know? So, and I do plan on even testing 3, 4. Like, I'm going all in. As we've said before in this channel, I'm testing a bunch because I'm hungry. Like, can't explain it. After I got just a little taste of that money and cash flow coming in and the success, I'm hungry. Like, I've mentioned this before. I keep sidetracking, but I mentioned this before about your lowest standards, and that's what you achieve. You never achieve your highest standards. You always achieve what your lowest standard is. And I've literally living through that experience right now where I got used to getting sales every day, consistently getting money and cash flow. Now that I'm not, my brain is kind of in like a urgency mode, like, oh, whoa, this is not normal. And I've never worked so hard and efficient and as fast as in my life. Because I'm not getting the sales like I used to, so I'm fucking hustling. I'm really hustling. So at the end of the day, that's where I am right now. I'll keep you updated on any results. Hopefully they're going to be better than the last month. Again, I dropped the product because I just didn't see the potential. It wasn't a potential. It wasn't a trend. It wasn't something that I can scale crazy. And I am a high achiever. I want the crazy bag. I want 100K months, 200K months. Like, I'm going all in. So, no more mid shit anymore. No more fucking around. I'm here for the big numbers. I'm here for the big results. And that's what you're here watching right now. You're watching the process of all this happening. Thank you for listening to my story. And all I can ask for is for you to like, subscribe, comment. I usually don't ask, but I really appreciate the support lately, and I love the community. The community is for me number one priority. I've been putting a lot of time in Discord, and it does take some time for my e-commerce, but at the end of the day, my community is number one. And I love just growing it. So all I ask is for you to just hop on the train before it leaves. Like, people don't understand is that I've seen the potential in myself for so long. And just starting to see the little results, people are now starting to see the potential that I always saw in me. And we're nowhere close to the full potential. We're nowhere close. It's just starting. So that's why I hop on the train before, follow the journey, like, subscribe, and because you do that, I'll fucking see you at the top. I'll literally see you at the fucking top.